So the next is contribution margin category and menu mix percentage category. So for this means we have to find out it is in which category it comes under. So for finding out contribution margin category, we have to see our item contribution margin category and our average contribution margin, that is 61.5. If it is greater than 61.5, then it is a popular item because it is greater than our average sales. The average product is giving me 61.5 rupees, but it is more than that, so it will be a more profitable item for me. So 61.5 is our average CM. So this is lower, so this comes under lower. 70 is high, 160 is high, 100 is also high, 80 is high, 40 is low, 60 is also low, 30 is low, 10 is low, and 5 is also low. Now to find out menu mix percentage category, we have to see that the average percentage of menu mix is 10%. The things which are greater than 10% will come under high, and which are lower than 10% will come under low. So the first one is 10.5, it is high. Next one is 14.5, it is also high. Next one is 15.5, it is high. 11.5, it is high. 11.25 high. 'It is low, 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 low. This one is high. So now it is important to know what all are the categories we are dividing. So high means high contribution margin plus high menu mix percentage will be said as star. That dishes would be star. Then the next one would be high, low, that would be puzzle. Then next one is low, high, that is plow horse, and low is dog. So as we have discussed in yesterday's class, high items would be categorized as star, high low items would be categorized as puzzle, low high would be categorized as plow horse, and low would be as dog. So high means high in contribution margin and high in menu mix percentage also. Here it is for popularity, this is for profitability. If it is high in profitability and as well as in popularity, then it will be termed as star. If it is high in popularity and high in profitability and low in popularity, it would be termed as puzzle. If it is low in profitability and high in popularity, that would be known as plow horse. If it is low in popularity and low in profitability, it is termed as dog. So the first item, roasted chicken, is low in profitability and high in popularity, so it would be termed as plow horse. Second one is shrimp. It is high in popularity and high in profitability, so it would be known as star item. Then the next is steak, which is high, so it is also star. Mutton is also star. Pasta is also star. Then comes low in profitability as well as low in popularity. So it is termed as dog. Dog. It is also dog. It is also dog. This is also dog. And the last one is low and high. That is low horse. So by doing this, we would be categorizing our menu item into this all things, or we would say this all things. Then by this we can know which all are the low in profitability. So to make it on higher level so that it can come under our star category, we can increase the selling price. And if dog are the main thing which a menu or which a restaurant should improve a lot, because they are low in profitability as well as low in popularity as well. So for this we can increase the prices, but we have to make sure that we need to promote it more, so that the people started getting attracted to it and people starts to buy it. So it is very important to change the dog item of our menu. Plow horse is also another thing which we have to improve, because it is low in low in profitability. So I have told you we have to increase the selling price. By that we can increase the profitability. Then there are star product are those products which we need to which these are those dishes which guests need to catch their eyes in our menu. This should be highlighted. This all dish should be highlighted. So I hope I have solved the problem with you. If you guys solve this problem with me, this will be, I'm damn sure that this will be clear. And you are our future managers and future. Now some people would be saying that I will not be F&B manager, so I will be a chef. Chef is also a manager of the kitchen. So it is very important to study menu engineering. So if you do this sum with me, I'm damn sure that you will get clear about this. And if you have doubts, I am free for it. You can just, I am conducting a class regarding this also, so we can clear your doubts at that level on that session. Thank you guys. So I hope this is clear. Thank you. Cheers guys.